Hi guys. So in this video we're going to look at Gzip compression. So Gzip compression basically is a type of compression software which is used for compressing and decompressing the files. All right. So the whole purpose of using Gzip compression is to compress all your text images within the website. So be it WordPress or a content management system based website. So compress the files and make it load faster. All right. So that's the whole intent of it. So this is very important if you're focusing on SEO. Without gzip compression, you're not going to achieve the amount of page load speed or whatever it is. All right. So before we go ahead, let's look at the currently what we can do for. So a current load speed for this website, that's limbs.net, which I did. So I went to gtmetrics.com. You can go to gtmetrics and check the current load speed, that is limbs.net. So the load time currently is 5.4 seconds. Now we're going to do the gzip compression. Then we're going to come here and check it again. All right. So to do the gzip compression, what we need to do is that we need to first go to the hosting and the cpanel and the file manager. All right. So before I go, I'll just tell you one more thing. So here you can see the test servers from Vancouver, Canada. So that's the reason why the load speed probably is 5.42. All right. So there can be multiple chances. So now we're going to do the gzip compression. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go back here to my cpanel. So every website has a host. You should go to the cpanel. In the cpanel, you need to go to the file manager. All right. In the file manager, you need to go to public HTML. So if you have only one single website in a host, it is public HTML. But there might be some hostings where you have multiple websites within the same host. So you can see the website folder as the domain name. So for example, let's say you have john.com. So you'll see a folder called as john.com. If you go inside the folder, you'll see the public HTML. All right. So here my website is in the public HTML. So I open the public HTML. Here I can see all the web accesses of my website. It's fetching the directory contents. Okay, so here this is the directory contents. So here I need to look for ht access. All right, so ht access. Okay, so if you can't find the ht access here, what you need to do is that go to the settings and look for show hidden files. Right, so click on show hidden files. So once you click on show hidden files, you'll see here you go, the ht access. Now click on the ht access, click edit. You will come to the editor. So once you come to the editor, go to the bottom of the editor, leave to space, and to make it easier for you, I have put the code in the description, so you don't need to type anything, just to copy paste the code. All right, so I'm pasting the code over here. So I pasted the gzip code. So here you can see I have added output filter by type. So deflate, I've asked the server to deflate applications, deflate the category fonts, deflate the images, deflate the text. All right. So this is what I have done for gzip compression. So you can see browser match. I also added an extra bit of code. So this is because still some people are using the old browsers like Mozilla and stuff. So you can see over here, browse match Mozilla 4 BMS site. I have asked for gzip only text HTML compression. Okay, now I go over here. That's it. I click on save changes. Boom. Yep. So my changes have been saved. I close it right now. Now we have completed the gzip compression file, gzip compression for the website limbs.net. So this is the website which we did for, all right, from the cpanel. Now, after the gzip compression is done, maybe within 5 or 6 minutes, your gzip file will be fetched by the server and your website load time will be more faster. All right, so quickly, what I do is I'll just go and check it right now for you. Okay, so I'm going to just reload the page. So I'll go here again, gtmetrics. I'll check for limbs.net. Yeah, so guys, by the time this load, I'll also tell you the whole technical aspect behind it. So you can see before it was 5.4, now it's loaded at 4.3. See, so again, with more time, so for example, if I check after 30 minutes, it will be again 1 or 1.5 seconds more load, all right? There are many other things like lazy load and stuff to be installed, so which we will discuss in a separate video altogether. So this is what we have to do in Gzip compression, basically, all right? So this is basically a job of a developer. The whole point I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for you is that, see, I'm a developer, so but some of the guys who are right now watching this or who are attending the course might not be. But this should not be a hiccup for you not to do it, right? It's very simple, plain, straightforward stuff. So I have cut it maximum possible to you, right? So we'll just summarize the steps. You have a website, you have a hosting. So go to the hosting, go to the file manager. In the file manager, go to the public HTML. So let me repeat the steps for you. So I go to file manager. In the file manager, if you can go to public HTML, click on public HTML. So check for HT access. So if you can't see HT access, what you need to do, click on settings and show hidden files, right? Click on HT access, then click on edit. Once you edit it, click on the edit button, then paste the code which I have put here on the description, or you can take it from my website, all right? And just click on save changes. That's all. Pretty straightforward. Thank you guys.